All right, what's going on? What if you could start affiliate marketing with no setup, and if you just let AI do the selling while you just send traffic? That's all you have to do with the turnkey residual income system. It's just send traffic. Everything is set up for you. Now, when I started affiliate marketing, I had to learn how to create the funnels. I had to learn how to connect my domain name. I had to learn how to set up the emails. I had to write the emails. Then I had to set up all of the DKIM, SPF, DMARC, all of that stuff, and connecting all this stuff. And look, it took me at least a good week or so just to do that, because creating funnels, even just a simple two-step funnel, is not just a day's work. You have to sit down and try to come up with the right ad copy, to put on your opt-in page. And then you have to come up with a what are you going to put on your thank you page? Okay, are you going to put a video, or are you going to, what kind of text you're going to put on there? Are you just going to have text on that page? So those are some of the decisions that you had to make or have to make as an affiliate marketer. And it took time for me to do that, but no longer do I have to do that, because I am now promoting a done for you system that is completely done for you 100%. The only thing you have to do is send traffic. Now, there is a domain setup, but it's real simple. A few clicks, you'll have a domain in the system. That is it. That's if you want to run a domain to it. If not, you can just take the raw affiliate link that they give you and start promoting, and you can even add tracking on there as well. So I'm going to show you the system in this video. Okay, brother, if you're tired of creating systems, and if you're sick and tired of really going through all of the courses and trainings and things like that in order to make money as an affiliate online, then I think this is going to be a breath of fresh air for you. If you just get plugged in, focus on this, don't get the shiny object syndrome and start going off doing other things. Okay, this system right here can work. Your only sole responsibility, once again, is to send traffic. So this is what we're going to do. This is the actual system that we are in right now. And this is called the HBA app, short for Home Business Academy. As you can see over here, live recognitions. If I scroll down through here, you'll see here where I've earned residual income an hour ago, an hour ago. Okay, other people on here are earning residual income as well, and that's what you want to be doing. You want to earn residual income. It's cool to get the one time, $900 high ticket sale, or $100, $200 high ticket sale, but you have to continue to work over and over and over again in order to continue to get these sales. Once you get residual income, as long as the person remains a member, that is predictable income that you are going to get month after month after month. You're going to continue to get paid for the work that you have done once, and you can almost put this on autopilot as far as getting traffic. And I'm going to show you one of the ways that I'm doing it that can help you get started. Now, it's going to take a minute, but I'm going to show it to you as well. So this is the actual page. So what you're going to do, you're going to come in here and you're going to see a page that either looks like this, or it's going to look like this. Either one, it doesn't make a difference. Just go ahead on and follow what I'm about to share with you. What you're going to get with your purchase today for $35 is you're going to get the Let's Go app. Okay, and you're going to get the funnel builder. Those are the two products, and then you're going to get premium free for 2 weeks. Okay, so you want to make sure you get tied into that. So these are the 3 residual income products. I'll show you what you earn residual on that shortly. So whether you see this page right here, or if you see this page right here, just follow the steps. What you want to do is come over here and go to affiliate up here at the top, or you can come over here and go to affiliate links. Okay, I would rather that you come over here and go to affiliate, click on affiliate, watch this video, because this video is going to show you exactly how to hopefully get your first lead and maybe your first sale, okay, following the strategy that is shown in this video. They are going to show you what to do, and they're going to give you some resources that you can use in order to get started. And this is 100 percent free for you to do as well. It's not going to cost you any money out of pocket to use this traffic strategy source. Okay, so you're going to come down here and you're going to get your personal link. We're not going to worry about the domain. You just want to grab your personal link, which is going to be right here. Okay, so you're going to grab your link. Mine is blurred out right now, but you're going to just simply copy your link. And when you copy that link, it's going to open up a page that looks just like this. Okay, this is the page that you are going to be sharing. This page is 100% done for you. The emails are done for you. There's no setting up of the domain name, DKIM, DMARC, SPF records, and all of that is done for you. Watch this. If someone puts in fake information here, okay, it's not going to let them go through. They are cleaning the list as people come in, and then once people come in, if they don't click on certain emails or open any emails at a certain amount of time, they are automatically kicked out as a lead. Okay, so that is a great thing. This is done for you. So this page is what you're going to see when you click the link in the description. You're going to come to this page right here. It's going to be my page. Go ahead and put in your name and your best email, because this is what you want the people that you're going to send this to do as well. Look, if you're putting in fake information and you're really not interested, then the person you send this to are going to do the same thing. So be honest and put in your name and your best email here, and then click get instant access. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Once again, you're going to get access to this page. It's done for you. It does all of the selling and telling for you. Paul explains in this video. One of the things that I said when I began this video is let AI sell while you just send traffic. Well, over here, when you click this button, or anyone that you send this page to click this button, they can ask Sage questions about the Home Business Academy, about the Residual Turnkey System. They can ask any question they want, and Sage is going to answer that question. But at the same time, Sage will be leading them to close the sale for you, so you don't have to answer any question. You don't have to worry about, if somebody has a question, then just send them over to Sage, okay? And let Sage answer that question. Or you can go to Sage and type it in. But I prefer you send them back to this page and tell them to go down to the button and ask Sage, and let Sage do all the selling, the telling, and closing for you, so you don't have to do that. We want this to be as seamless as possible. Okay, so you watch this video and then you just come down this page and you just read all of this information. I want you to see what it is, what you're getting exactly with this page. Okay, so we're going to come down through here and I'm going to show you. You can watch any video that you want right here at any time where you see the blue. So right now, we're almost at $7 million paid in affiliate commissions. Okay, and this is as of today, March 2nd, 2026. We're probably, hopefully, going to hit up $7 million by the end of this week if everything go right. They have a surprise that they're giving us tonight, so I highly recommend that you join so you can get on the call tonight and see what they're going to give us. Okay, so now, the Let's Go, you earn $8 residual income with the Let's Go. The funnel builder is $25 a month. You earn a $20 residual income. Premium is $125 per month. There's $100 residual income. Remember, you're going to get premium free for 2 weeks, so you can get on the daily training, the daily calls, and also get on the Monday night calls as well. So your only investment is going to be the $35 to $10 per month Let's Go, and the $25 funnel builder. You earn $8 residual income. All three together are going to be able to potentially earn you $128 in residual income. That's $128 per month per customer every month, as long as they stay. 2 referrals, you're in positive cash flow. So this is the ideal breakdown. 2 referrals, your residual income is $256 a month. The net is $96, simply because your monthly fee, your monthly investment is coming out. Okay, so you get 5 people at $640, that's $480. The question is, how much do you want to earn per month in residual income? How much do you want to earn right now that's going to get you out of whatever situation that you are in right now? Maybe you were like me, you were working a second job. Hey, you want to quit the second job. You can keep the first job until you get to the level here that you want. 80 people in here can earn you $10,080 per month. Okay. So you can look at these numbers, but look at the in-between number. What if you have 15? What if you have 35? What if you have 50 here? You see what I'm saying? Just add it up and you'll see what you're going to get. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to read this entire page. You can read more about the Let's Goal here. You can read about the funnel builder here, watch videos, HBA premium here. You come down this page, look at me and my beautiful wife, make sure my name is here, and you're going to get started with the triple residual income starter pack for $35. Okay, you simply click on this button and fill out the information over here to get started, and you're well on your way. Now, how do you get traffic to this? Your sole responsibility is to get traffic. Remember, get your link. It's going to be right here. You're going to copy it, and then you can take that link and start creating YouTube videos. As you see right here, I create YouTube videos. This is my main source of getting leads and traffic and sales for this system. And why? Because YouTube is a search engine. This gets over millions and millions and millions of views per day. And what I love about it is videos that I have created years ago about the Home Business Academy are still getting views. Okay, so you can do that, and we show you how to do that inside of here as well, so you're not left alone. Even up under for the premium, when you get it, you come over here, come down to free traffic, click the button. You can come down here, you can do Facebook, but you find short form video, and you'll find YouTube ranking videos as well. So you can start right there with getting traffic to your turnkey residual income page. You can see some of the views that I'm having on these videos. No, they're not in the thousands, but they are views from people who are interested in what it is I'm offering in these videos. So you can do that as well. So that is one of the strategies that you can use. This is my main strategy, and you can do YouTube shorts as well. There's a way that you can do YouTube shorts now that you don't even have to be in there live. You can use your AI twin, which I'm working on now. So I'm going to be doing more shorts to put over here, and my AI twin will be doing all of the selling and telling and promoting for me. That's going to send them to my system. So to get started, only thing you have to do is click the link that is in the description. Come over here. If I come to one of my videos, just say this video here. I'm going to pause that right there. Let me see. Just come down here, and the link is going to be in the description right up here at the top. Go ahead and click that link and get started. If you want to see some of the other opportunities that's going on, you can click this link right here. And these are some traffic sources that I have in here that I use as well, other than YouTube, in order to get traffic. So you can get started that way. So click the link in the description. Come here, put in your name, your number, your name and email. Come over here to this page over here. Watch the video. If you have questions, ask Sage. Then you just want to scroll all the way down. Once again, scroll all the way down, right here to $35. Click the button, fill out the information. You want some more details, you can view them here. It's totally up to you, but go ahead on and get started today. Don't hesitate. Don't put off today. Don't put off for tomorrow what you can do today. Get started right now with this 100% done for you system. The only thing you have to do is send traffic. There is no setup. It is done for you. What else can we offer you that's going to help you? Well, tonight they're revealing something that I believe is going to blow our minds. And once they do that, I will be sharing it with you here in a video real soon. So with that being said, click the link in the description. Watch the next video that pops up on here that's going to give you more information about the turnkey residual income system and the done for you system that you can get access to. Click the link in the description. Get started today. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.